Hello and welcome to Yesterday's Airlines. In today's video we're going to be unboxing a pair of new arrivals that have just turned up at the Yesterday's Airlines hangar, and as you can see from the boxes, these two new models are both from the brand Patriot Models. Now, Patriot Models is a brand that I've featured at the site here, both my website and on YouTube a few times. They've been producing a really unusual and interesting range of models, often in house colors or prototypes or models with something extra like their air carrier tanker DC-10 you can see in the image here. And they have also branched out into a range of house colors liveries, and two of the models that we're going to look at today are 767-400s, both of them featuring variants of the house colors for that aircraft type, as you can see on the boxes here. So we're going to get a close-up look at these two wonderful models in just a second, but before we do that, obviously don't forget, as always, to chuck a like on the video and please subscribe to Yesterday's Airlines. I thank you very much to everyone that subscribes to the channel. We've been doing really well here at the channel. I've been very pleased with the viewing figures recently, so thank you everyone for that. I should also say that obviously yesterdaysairlines.com is the place to be for a huge amount of information, and I have actually reviewed one of this pair of models in detail at the website. And so if you want to know everything about the model in detail with loads of pictures and images, then get over to yesterdaysairlines.com to check out the review of one of this pair of models. They are really quite special. I also want to say, get over to my sponsor, Northeast Diecast, because they have an amazing range of second-hand models, both in 200 and 400 scale, at all types of prices. And they've got some really rare and interesting models over there, which will look fabulous in your collection. So check out Northeast Diecast, and if you do check out Northeast Diecast, make sure that you use the coupon code Yesterday's Airlines 15 for 15% off your order, because that is a big saving. 15% off your order from Northeast Diecast with the code Yesterday's Airlines 15. But let's get on and check out this pair of Patriot Models 767s. Okay, so we'll start with N76400, although both the aircraft are actually N76400. They're not the same aeroplane. We're going to start with the aircraft that was the prototype and was delivered to Delta as N825 Mike Hotel. You can see that these Patriot models come in a really lovely box. It's a lot more solid than most boxes, and it has this wonderful flip-up magnetic seal on it, which is just classy. Also, you'll see that each of the models comes with this nice envelope inside, embossed with the Patriot logo, and inside that you've got a bespoke postcard with illustrations of the aircraft. Really very nice. But that's not all you're getting inside the envelope. You're also getting a collector's card, a proper credit card style collector's card. As you can see here, this is number 45 of 220 made of this release, and that's a nice premium feature. And you've got to say, Patriot Models, they always have this premium feel. They are a little more expensive than other brands, and that's because you're getting these extras and this really nice packaging. You see that the model also comes with a stand, and it's got the foam padding insert rather than just the plastic insert. But here we go, we've got the model in the kind of classic style Boeing house colors. It must have been one of the last types, you assume, to wear these more simple Boeing house colors, but they are really classy and nice. And as you can see, the aircraft also has a really lovely natural metal belly that just gleams. It looks really, really nice. Magnification at the front here, you can see there's a lot of really crisp detailing on this model. It's really very nicely printed across the whole board, and Panda are one of the best brands, I feel, for this kind of printing, and this is the Panda Models 767-400 mold that Patriot are using here, and it is significantly better overall than the competing Gemini Jets JC Wing 767 for a whole host of reasons. Check out my website if you want to see what those reasons are, but they include things like the length of the undercarriage, the wing pylon engine join, the tail cone. There's lots of different reasons why this is a better mold, and you can see here the detailing is really nice. The wing joint is another area that is better than the JC mold as well, and this competes also very well with the NG model 76400, which they seem to have forgotten they own, and so I almost forget exists too. In fact, generally I'd say this is the best 767-400 on the market, and there isn't a lot of competition that's being used at the moment. But this model particularly, with that silver metal belly, it just looks fabulous, and everything here is in the right place. And again, when you look in detail and close up, like at the engines here, you can see that each of the fan blades beautifully picked out there. It's not just slapping on a huge amount of black paint. So it's a really nicely finished model. And here she is, just on the table, so you don't get my fingers all in the way, and you can see that it just really very nice. But rather than you seeing my fingers, let's get her over on to the turntable so you can get a better look at this first of the two models. The second model is also registered N76400, but actually is not the same airframe. This aircraft only flew in December 1999, a couple of months after the prototype, and was delivered eventually to Delta as N827 Mike Hotel. But in the meantime, it did undertake a world tour, and we'll talk a bit more about that in a second. As you can see, the packaging is equally nice as the first model, and again, you've got this lovely envelope and collector's postcard inside, which once again shows some nice scenes of the aircraft. Very attractive. Also, of course, you've got the collector's card like with that first model, but this model had a slightly larger production run by the look of things, and so I've got number 38 of 380 for this one. But again, really nicely finished, really nice box packaging, collector's card, premium, really very nice, and I don't think you'll find better in 400 scale. Once again, obviously you've got the stand as well and the foam insert packaging, so really very nice. And here's the model in what is a much nicer livery than the first one, I would say, because this aircraft, as I said earlier, was used for a sales tour which visited a wide range of countries in the year 2000. It also stopped off at Farnborough, the Farnborough Air Show in England, and this aircraft does have a little Farnborough 2000 logo on it, which is really tiny, but still amazingly you're able to see it. You can see it's a really beautiful scheme, these lovely colours and logos, and it just glistens, especially that gold on the tail there. Really fabulous looking livery, and they've really carried this off very nicely. It must have been a very difficult scheme to do the artwork for and to print, and they've done a fabulous job. You can see here, just behind the cockpit, you've got this tiny Farnborough 2000 tiles. It's very hard to see them even holding the aircraft still, but they're there and they're really easily visible. If you really zoom in, it's an amazing level of detail on the print work for this model, and something which I praise in the written review which I've done on my site. Again, the rest of the model is equally nice. You've got that beautiful polished belly, and just looks fabulous from the top as well. This is my favourite of the two, I can't deny it. The scheme here is really very attractive. So once again, I'll put her down on the table briefly so you can get a look at her without my hands there. And then we'll get her up on to the turntable for you. So there we have it. That's another pair of really impressive models produced for Patriot Models, in this case by Panda, and using what I consider to be the best in class 767-400 mould in 400 scale at the moment, better than the NG mould, better than the Gemini Jets JC mould. Now, both these models are available to buy at the moment, and if you're in the UK, I strongly suggest getting them from my man Bedfordshire Diecast, which is where I purchased both of these. And if you're in the States, I know Yankee Victor 400, a friend of the channel, is also stocking these, so check those out there. But I hope you've enjoyed this look around at this pair of really nice models produced by Patriot. They're a little more expensive than your standard 400 scale model, but you're getting real class with them, and you're obviously getting that nice flip top box, the envelope, the collector's card, the stand, and a really top model. So that's it for this video. Hope you've enjoyed this quick look at these. Thanks very much for watching. I'll be back very soon with another video, but that's it for now. Thank you from Yesterday's Airlines.